guys, Chanel here today, and I am super excited about this video because I'm going to be sharing the newest products from La Roche Posay while also bringing you guys along for their Derm Class as well as their Skin Museum. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, I wanted to introduce you guys to the Effaclar Adapalene Gel 0.1% Acne Treatment. This is a treatment that can be used once a day all over the face, and all you need is a pea-sized amount on a clean and dry face. The texture and consistency of this product feels very smooth, and it almost feels like a water-based consistency as well. So the first product we're going to try out would be their Purifying Foaming Gel, and I love this cleanser because it is for oily skin and it gets rid of all the gunk and all that stuff, but it does not dry out your skin. While we're washing, I'm going to take you guys along for the tour of the Skin Museum. So this was a really cool experience because we actually got the chance to interact with like clogged pores and just seeing exactly what acne-prone skin would feel and look like. And I feel like this is really cool because that's the first time I ever got to experience anything like that. We got a chance to see all the Effaclar Adapalene Gel products on display. Another feature of the Skin Museum that I really liked was the fact that the tour was guided, so we actually were able to stop at certain stations and you would basically press the little audio tool so that you could listen as to what's going on. It made it really interactive and fun, and this was like the best event that I have attended so far. Another feature that was worth highlighting would be their new My Skin Track Pore Scan. It essentially just lets you take a picture of your skin, and the artificial intelligence basically tells you exactly what products would be the best for you. But let's get back to the next phase of our review. So the next product that we're going to be using would be their Unclogging Purifying SIBO Controlling Mask. It's formulated with a gentle clay and it eliminates excess sebum as well as invisible impurities such as dust and pollen particles. And it also helps to control shine. So I just left it on for 5 minutes and we're going to get back to the event so we can see exactly what's going on. Now, other than the awesome aesthetics that really help for really eye-catching B-roll, the best thing about the Derm Class is that we were able to find a lot of good information about, acne and how it does have an impact on your life. Now, we did have two guest speakers that were both board certified dermatologists. The first would be Dr. Baldwin and the second would be Dr. Reeder. The cool thing about Dr. Reeder is that he was actually a board certified psychiatrist as well, which is one of the only few doctors in the US that is certified in both fields. We learned that 1 out of 6 people in the US will have acne. The growing rate of adult acne is really high in women, and stress is one of the key factors that causes acne. Dr. Reeder stated that if you don't look your best, you don't feel your best, and he was saying that some of his patients come in both to speak about their problems as well as looking for solutions. So that was really cool to hear both sides. I also was able to make a couple of friends at this event, so here's some footage of my friend, and can we just talk about the visuals in the next scene? Like, oh my gosh, so amazing. But anyway, let's get back to the tutorial. Now, the next product I'm going to be using would be their Daily Moisturizer for oily skin, and this is really good at preventing anti-shine, which I usually have in my T-zones, and then it also is anti-enlarged pores, which I'm also noticing that I have along the basis of my cheeks. But I have to say, I really did like the moisturizer, and this is just a close-up shot so you guys can see what my skin looked like. The best thing was that my face did not feel dry, and that is a solution I'm looking for. So in this next shot here, I wanted to show you guys what my face looked like the very next day, and I was actually going to test out this product, which is the Double Repair Face Moisturizer with UV broad spectrum of SPF 30. After taking the Derm Class, I totally understand the importance of using sunscreen on your skin, but guys, my makeup looked so freaking good. Like, I could not believe how nice it looked. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. All products will be in the description box, and I will see you all in the next one.